Hello students, today will we discuss about small talk at bank. ओके बैंक में किस तरीके की टॉक होती है और हम किस तरीके से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके तो वेज टू स्टार्ट अ कन्वर्सेशन विद अ कस्टमर. कस्टमर के साथ कन्वर्सेशन करने के कुछ तरीके. फर्स्ट है आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, यानी क्वेश्चंस पूछें. Prospects who have been exposed to a lot of other people selling stuff, for instance, at a trade show, are likely bracing themselves for a spiel about the wonderful whatever it is you are selling. You can use that dynamic to your advantage by surprising them with a question about almost anything. As from, do you know what time the keynote starts? To where's the best place around? यानी कि आप लगभग किसी अन्य चीज़ के बारे में एक क्वेश्चन के साथ अपने लाभ के लिए उस गतिशील का उपयोग कर सकते हैं. मतलब इस टाइप से आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है से समथिंग अबाउट द वेदर. The reason people talk so much about the weather is that it's the safest topic there is, and there's almost always something to say, whether it's give what a beautiful day or when will this rain ever stop. Next, ask if they are enjoying the event. Are you having a good day so far? Is a safe way to start a conversation in nearly any circumstance. Next, ask about their work. This is pretty safe conversation starter, as most people like to talk about their jobs. Name wage can be a really big help. If the wage mentions a title and it is on uncommon one, ask what kind of work they do. If the wage mentions a company you are not familiar with, ask about what the company does. If it is a household name, you can always ask what it's like to work there. Next, comment on the venue. Unless the event is taking place in a completely generic hotel or convention venue, there's always something to say about where you are meeting. If it is your first time there, you can say so and say what your first impressions are. If the event is in your hometown, you can ask what they think of the place. Next, praise something they did. If you know prospective customers by reputation, know about their companies, don't pass up the opportunity to say something nice about anything they or their company have done. I really thought your last advertising campaign was very effective. I really enjoyed your blog post. It could even be I thought you asked a really great questions in this morning session. Next, compliment them on their clothing. Where did you get the tie? Or what a lovely necklace are almost always good ways to start a conversation with someone. You are praising them, making them feel good about themselves, proving that you are paying attention and putting the focus away from you. Next, ask for help. It almost does not matter what kind of help. Anything from can you help me lift this to can you help me figure out how my monitor plugs in will get someone engaged and connected with you, and owning someone a favor is one of the strongest ways you can build a bond. Just make sure your prospective customer is not a hurry to be someplace else before you ask for his or her time to help you. Okay. Next, offer something. This is one reason so many vendors bring bowls of candy, pens, and other swag to trade shows. Ask prospective customers if they would like a free item, especially if it is an unusual item or something timely, such as a mid afternoon cup of coffee. Whether they say yes or no, thank you, you have established a connection in positive way. Next, ask what they are looking for. If you just can't start a conversation that's not related to selling, then put the focus on them rather than you by asking a questions about what they want or need. You may encounter resistance if they assume your question is just intended as a seek toward your sales pitch, but if you genuinely listen to what they need or desire and resist the temptation of break in the information about. Next, ask about their plans. This could be short term as in are you coming to the conference tomorrow, or long term as in is your company planning on expanding into this region. Once again, you have put the focus on them and you have taken an interest in their future, which is pretty good way to start a new relationship. Here's what you don't want to say. Let me tell you about your wonderful product. Say something like that, and your prospective customer will want to escape the way you would from an overly aggressive cosmetics salesperson at the mall. Smart sellers know that you first have to create a relationship with a prospective customer, whether for a few minutes or over a longer period of time, and only then try pitching whatever you have to sell. Okay, कस्टमर से इस तरीके से टॉकिंग हो सकती है. Customer, good morning. Can I cash a check here? Counter clerk, please go to the first counter on the left side. कस्टमर कहता है थैंक यू, इज इट द टेलर सिस्टम देयर? काउंटर क्लर्क, यस सर, यू विल गेट योर मनी इंस्टेंटली देयर। कस्टमर एट द फर्स्ट काउंटर, एक्सक्यूज मी, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट दिस चेक कैश्ड। काउंटर क्लर्क, यस सर, प्लीज साइन ऑन द बैंक ऑफ योर चेक। कस्टमर, ओके, हियर यू आर। काउंटर क्लर्क, जस्ट अ मिनट सर। कस्टमर, आई नीड 1000 रुपीज नोट्स ओनली। काउंटर क्लर्क है, आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव ओनली 500 रुपीज नोट्स। इफ यू कांट वेट, आई विल गेट सम 1000 रुपीज नोट्स एज वेल। Customer, thank you. Is it the teller system there? Counter clerk, yes sir, you will get your money instantly there. ओके, इस तरीके से टॉक हो सकती है। एक तरीके से, आई वॉन्ट टू ओपन एन अकाउंट, कुड यू प्लीज हेल्प मी टू ओपन एन अकाउंट। आई वुड लाइक टू ओपन अ जॉइंट अकाउंट विद माई वाइफ। हाउ मैनी स्पेसिमेन सिग्नेचर डू यू नीड, या हाउ मच डू आई हैव टू डिपॉजिट टू ओपन अ करेंट अकाउंट। इस तरीके से, आई वॉन्ट टू चेक बुक, आई वॉन्ट टू इन कैश दिस चेक, या आर यू कस्टमर ऑफ दिस बैंक। Yes, I am. Here is my passbook. Would you like to deposit the check for clearance? It will take about 2 days since it is a local check. But I need the money urgently. या फिर will they give me the money today? Okay. Thank you for watching.